all the work that I've done has been fueled by a passion for community, a passion for marginalized communities, for Black and brown people. And coming into Lewis Ginter and doing the work there, it was a real work shift, because no longer am I being mandated to be that guy. I am more of, how do I enable others to be that guy or girl? 2017 was the year of our nose to the grindstone. We really put a lot of time and energy in developing the Ginter Urban Gardener curriculum. Really, I'm excited about, working with Lewis Ginter in that space, because, when you have an organization like that, behind that type of work, it's a lot easier as a conversation to have. Their goal and my goal is like, how do we be an intermediary between the community and, these resources that are accessible, and how do we open that up? So I think 2018 is going to be the year where we see larger scale investments in community transformation, having conversations about access, having conversations about racial equity, having conversations about inclusion. All those are super important, and I feel really strong that if an organization like Lewis Ginter can embrace those ideals, then it has a huge ripple effect, or can have a huge ripple effect on other legacy institutions within the region.